I'm Senator Mark Warner, and I want to talk about what happened in the impeachment trial that began in the United States Senate today. This afternoon, the articles of impeachment were, in a sense, officially brought to the United States Senate. We heard as the House managers read out the articles of impeachment. The first article outlined a series of allegations of abuse of powers by the president. The second allegation, the second charge was that the president, by refusing to honor any of the subpoenas from the House or any of the requests for information from the House, obstructed Congress. Obviously, these are both extraordinarily serious charges. In addition, something that came out today was that the GAO, an independent entity in our government, did a review and saw that the White House had urged parts of the administration to actually break the law when they illegally withheld aid to Ukraine, aid that had been approved by a bipartisan House and Senate. Again, the challenge going forward will be for each senator to evaluate these charges, to evaluate the relevance of this GAO finding, and reach a conclusion. The feeling in the Senate today was extremely somber. I think all of us realized the responsibility and the constitutional responsibility we took on. During this proceeding, second part of the proceeding, the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court came over to the Senate, and he was sworn in as the, in effect, judge overseeing the proceedings, and then asked each of us to raise our right hand and take an oath to be an impartial juror. We'll come back next week and we'll start to hear the facts laid out by the House managers and then the defense laid out by the president's lawyers. These are challenging times for our nation, challenging times, I think, for all Americans as we grapple with something that's only happened literally 3 times in terms of a presidential level to have a full impeachment trial before the Senate. So I'm looking forward with some trepidation, but also a sense of somber responsibility that I'm going to take this responsibility and come at it with an open mind, hear all the facts, and then ultimately have to make a decision. My hope is that no matter whether you're for the president or against the president, that we'll all take a step back and take a fresh look at the proceedings and reach your own conclusions as well. I hope to continue to update Virginians and friends around the country on a regular basis throughout this trial. And again, we will get through this, just as our country's managed to get through other crises in the past. But this one has to be taken with that appropriate degree of seriousness.